So, hello from Stora Sand in Värmdö, one of the most popular beaches on the sea here in Stockholm Region. And what a wonderful day we have today. It is currently 24 degrees Celsius in the air, and in the water it is 18 degrees Celsius. And the beach is extra crowded today because of the hot day, of course. And it is time then for beach day number 95 on my Sweden beach adventures this year, on this 16th of July. So it looks quite amazing, and the bottom here is super sandy. You will see it in a minute when I go in. And this is Stora Sand. There is also even a sister smaller beach very close to this spot. It's called Lilla Sand, and it's located in Värmdö Nature Reserve. That I have visited already last week when I was at Stora Sand and Björkvik. I can see from here the nudist beach rocks that I have visited last week as well. So it is quite huge beach, and you can get here by public transport from Slussen with the buses 428 and 429. And the bus ride is between 40 to 50 minutes depending on time of the day. And there are buses every half an hour also, so it's super convenient. But yeah, there is no wind, which makes things a lot easier. It is so nice and warm to swim actually. So let's then dive in here at Stora Sand and Värmdö. Now I remember that I visited this beach last year on 6th of June for the National Day, when Sweden celebrated 500 years of independence. And back then I was chilling at those rocks over there because the beach was super crowded, that you can see as it is today. Alright, then let's take a swim here at Stora Sand. Let's go! Isn't it amazing? You look so beautiful. This is definitely one of the top 3 beaches in Stockholm Region. It looks quite amazing with all the beautiful nature, and there are even rocks and rocky beach areas on the both sides of the sandy beach. So yeah, let's dive in once again and enjoy this beauty of nature here at Stora Sand in Värmdö. It's so amazing and spectacular indeed. I'm so happy right now to be enjoying this wonderful hot day out on the sea, and to show you this piece of beauty on my channel as well, Beach Adventures with Chris. So look at the water. The water is super still and super clean as well. It's absolutely amazing indeed. Let's give you a look from perspective also with the dive, how you can see the bottom, how it is. Amazing, so nice. So yeah, that's a wrap from Stora Sand here in Värmdö on this beach day number 95 on my Sweden beach adventures this year, 16th of July 2024, with 24 degrees Celsius in the air and 18 in the Baltic Sea. So thank you so much for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.